Welcome to our channel. Permanently deleting your TikTok account removes all videos and followers. Here's the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open TikTok app and go to your profile by tapping me at the bottom right. Step 2. Tap the 3-line menu icon in the top right corner of your profile. Step 3. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu options. Step 4. Tap Account at the top of the Settings menu. Step 5. Select Delete Account at the bottom of the account settings. Step 6. TikTok will show what you'll lose. Read this information before proceeding. Step 7. Choose a reason for leaving from the provided options or select Other. Step 8. Tap Continue to proceed with account deletion process. Step 9. Verify your account via SMS code or email. Your account enters 30-day deactivation before permanent deletion. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.